Welcome to Learner Stop. This is Samiksha, and today I am going to discuss with you about smart city. So it is an urban area that uses different types of electronic Internet of Things sensors to collect data and then use insights gained from that data to manage assets, resources and services efficiently. So this includes data collected from citizens, devices and assets that is processed and analyzed to monitor and manage traffic and transportation systems, power plants, utilities, water supply networks, waste management, crime detection, information systems, schools, libraries, hospitals and other community services. So ये कहाँ कहाँ पे है वर्ल्ड में? So they are in Singapore, India, Dubai, Amsterdam, Barcelona and New York being one of the major one. So there are many examples, right? Now we will have a look at the smart cities in India. So Smart Cities Mission is a retrofitting and urban renewal program being spearheaded by the Ministry of Urban Development. So it is under the Government of India, and the Government of India has the ambitious vision of developing 100 cities by modernizing existing mid-sized cities. So next is the conceptualization of smart city varies in India from city to city because it depends on the level of development, willingness to change and reforms, resources and aspirations. So the picture of smart city contains a wish list of infrastructure and services that describes his or her level of aspiration. So in the approach of smart cities mission, the objective is to promote core infrastructure and give a different quality of life to citizens. Next is challenges. So smart leadership and vision at this level is required to make smart cities. Understanding the concept of retrofitting, redevelopment and greenfield development by the policymakers, implementers and other stakeholders. The major investment in time and resource will have to be made during the planning phase prior to the participation in the challenge. So the upcoming smart cities in India, they are Bhubaneswar, Pune, Jaipur, Surat, Ahmedabad, Jabalpur and there are many more. Next I would like all of you to have a look at the picture. So you can see in the picture, you must be thinking that this is somewhere out of India. But no, it is a city in India and it is named Lavasa. So let's have a look about this city. So it is India's first entirely private city built from scratch. This planned city is just a 4-hour drive away from Mumbai and has an artificial lake. So it is surrounded by hills and has many activities for tourists. So way forward for smart cities. So smart cities cannot be a solution to urban crisis happening in India. It needs understanding of problem rationally through data collected systematically. Then when one has limited funds, an easier and speedier route is to take 5 big cities or 10 small ones at a time and transform them comprehensively. Building a smart cities cannot happen with government's funding only. So the funding has to include private investment as well. Just as in case of Lavasa city, it was entirely private city. So this is the end of the video and I hope you all must have got to know a lot of facts about the smart city, and thank you so much for watching and keep learning and keep growing.